Hello. In today's video tutorial, we would like to demonstrate how you can check the mobile data usage on this TCL 205 smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. At the settings, go for the very top category, which is the network and internet. Next, as you can see, I have the two SIM cards installed. Choose what SIM card you would like to check the data usage of. So let's go with the first one. And in here, you'll have the actual breakdown on, well, how many gigabytes or how much mobile data in general has been used on this particular SIM card. If you want to check the other one easily, you can just get back to the previous page and tap on the other SIM card. And it will have the pretty much the same breakdown, but in this case, not for the SIM card 1, but for the SIM card 2. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.